غير مباشرة خلال ال5 سنوات القادمة، وذلك انطلاقا من أن نصبح العام لا يعد ذراع استثمارية المملكة العربية السعودية فحسب، بل محركا أصيلا لتنويع الاقتصاد وخلق الوظائف.
But Vision 2030 is not just about the future of Saudi Arabia. It's also about the betterment of the planet. We believe that Saudi global leadership can bring people together. This is the new Saudi Arabia.
An enormous structure is taking shape in the vast expanse of the Saudi Arabian desert. It's not a skyscraper or a stadium, but a colossal box stretching over 4 football fields and big enough to hold 20 Empire State Buildings. You may wonder why anyone would invest so much time and money into constructing such a massive structure. But this mysterious structure could give the Saudis unprecedented power, even surpassing that of the United States. Have you ever imagined a massive, towering box looming over the horizon? Well, that's exactly what Saudi Arabia is building, a colossal structure known as Makaab. But why? What purpose could this giant box possibly serve? Makaab is a multi-level building that is currently under construction. The structure looms over the Grand Mosque, which draws millions of pilgrims every year. This awe-inspiring building is a testament to Saudi Arabia's ambitious 2030 vision, which seeks to broaden the country's economy. With its innovative design and cutting-edge technology, Makaab is poised to become a marvel of modern engineering. Makaab is the first immersive destination in the world to offer virtual technology experiences. The scale of this project is simply staggering. With an area of over 400,000 square meters and a towering height of 60 floors, Makaab promises to be a truly magnificent addition to the city of Mecca. As a beacon of modernity and luxury, it will serve as a gateway for millions of pilgrims. The building's facilities will be nothing short of world-class, providing visitors with top-notch accommodation, dining, and shopping options. In contrast, its rooftop viewing deck will provide an unparalleled vantage point from which to take in the stunning panorama of the Grand Mosque. However, undertaking a project of such an enormous scale inevitably poses formidable challenges. Among these, the location of Makaab stands out as a prominent obstacle that the builders must overcome. The site's topography is complex, with a high concentration of rocks and boulders. Additionally, the construction site is close to the holy city of Mecca, which requires special permits and permissions to undertake any work in the area. Despite these challenges, the builders of Makaab remain committed to delivering this visionary project. But what's the driving force behind Saudi Arabia's massive investment in Makaab? The answer is clear: it is part of their ambitious 2030 vision to diversify their economy and reduce their dependence on oil. As the world's largest oil producer, the country must take steps to ensure long-term sustainability, and Makaab is a crucial part of this strategy. Makaab is expected to bring numerous benefits, including improving transportation infrastructure, creating new jobs, and promoting tourism. While Makaab is undoubtedly a visionary project, it has not been immune to criticism. Some people have raised concerns about the cost and environmental impact of constructing such a mammoth structure in a location of such historical significance. There have also been worries about the impact on the local community. Despite these concerns, the builders of Makaab are unwavering in their commitment to this groundbreaking project and have taken measures to minimize the impact on the surrounding area. They are also working closely with local communities to address any issues and ensure that the project is beneficial for all stakeholders. However, as with any endeavor of this magnitude, there are bound to be technical and logistical challenges. Some experts have questioned the feasibility of this project, raising doubts about whether it can be completed on time and within budget. However, the question remains: why is Saudi Arabia betting big on Makaab project to take the global lead? Makaab can promote innovation and modernization, which is key to becoming a leading country in the world. Therefore, the project is not just about constructing a giant building but about showcasing Saudi Arabia's commitment to modernization and the future. Furthermore, the cultural exchange the building could facilitate will help to promote understanding and bridge gaps between different cultures. This project will provide world-class facilities and amenities, which can help improve its citizens' quality of life while creating job opportunities. But how does this compare to the colossal Burj Khalifa? In the annals of human achievement, few feats can match the sheer grandeur and scale of the Burj Khalifa. Rising from the sands of Dubai, it stands as a declaration of the triumph of engineering, architecture, and human perseverance. The tallest building in the world at the time of its construction, it shattered many records. Now, in a new era of construction and technology, we witness the construction of Makaab, poised to surpass the Burj Khalifa in terms of height and scale. Like the Burj Khalifa, the Makaab project is expected to bring significant economic and social benefits to Saudi Arabia. What's truly remarkable about comparing these two monuments of human ingenuity is the scope of progress that has taken place since the Burj Khalifa's construction in the early 2000s. Back then, the structure of the Burj Khalifa required the use of cutting-edge materials such as high-strength concrete and advanced steel alloys. This was to withstand the immense stresses and strains of such a tall building. In addition, thousands of workers and engineers toiled around the clock to ensure precision and coordination in every aspect of the construction process. Fast forward to today, and we see a new era of technological innovation and construction techniques, with the construction of Makaab leading the charge. Utilizing digital modeling, 3D printing, and advanced robotics, the construction of Makaab has enabled us to build a structure of even greater scale and complexity than Burj Khalifa. However, the enormity and weight of the building, coupled with its location in a seismic zone, have presented challenges that require the latest in construction technology and expertise. But despite the differences in construction methods and technology, the same unrelenting spirit of innovation and ambition unites these two feats of human engineering. And speaking of spirit, insights from world leaders and their views on this initiative will surprise you. French President Emmanuel Macron has praised the Makaab program and Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 initiative, stating that it is an essential step towards diversifying the Saudi economy and promoting tourism. However, criticism of the Makaab project has spurred some heated debates and reactions on social media. Journalist Murtaza Hussain was among the critics, tweeting, "Building a new Kaaba exclusively devoted to capitalism is a little too on the nose." This statement highlights concerns about the project's impact on traditional religious and cultural values in the region. But by now, when will it be completed and become operational? While construction is currently underway, and the completion date is set for 2030, given the scale of the project and the challenges associated with constructing such a massive structure, delays may occur. Should Makaab be completed on schedule, its potential long-term impact could be legendary. The transformative impact of Makaab on Mecca itself could be monumental, improving transportation infrastructure and creating new jobs in the sector. In addition, this visionary project could cement Saudi Arabia's position as a leader in innovation and progress, inspiring awe and admiration worldwide. Of course, there are no guarantees that Makaab will live up to its lofty expectations, and there are still various unanswered questions about the project. However, it is clear that Makaab represents a bold and ambitious vision for the future of Saudi Arabia and one that could have far-reaching consequences. Let us know in the comments section down below what you think about this project. As always, thanks for watching our video. See you in the next one.